We're going to start off our digital portfolio by making a header image using Spark Post. This image will be the first thing that people see. It's your first chance to introduce yourself and show you mean business. Feel free to use any image you like, but the more it showcases you and demonstrates that you're not camera shy, the more confident you will appear. Remember, this is a professional portfolio, so make sure your photo is professional too. To make a Spark post, normally you would click the Create a Project button on the left-hand side, but I'm going to start this one by searching for a Spark template for my digital portfolio header image. There are literally thousands you can choose from. I'm going to search for photographer, and the template that I'm looking for is just here, so I'm going to give it a click and edit that template. Everything in this template can be replaced just by clicking on it, so rather than having a photographer image, I'm going to replace it by uploading a photo of myself that I have on my device. Now that my picture's in there and selected, I can play with the sliders over here and adjust the rotation, which makes it look a little bit more interesting. I can also play with the scale and position where I want it to be until I'm happy with it. I can also apply a filter to the image to make it pop. If I double click the text, I can change it to my own name, change the font, and also add any social handle or subtitle that I want to put in there. I'm going to keep the fonts consistent. If you need to center things, you'll see that Spark has these handy little dotted lines which will help you put it into the perfect place. The crosses in the top left and bottom right are actually icons, and you can change those just by selecting and replacing them. But I actually really like these ones. It's one of the reasons I chose this template. So I'm only going to adjust them slightly by bringing in another row of crosses and making sure they're both aligned in pretty much the same place. Once you're happy with your header image, give your Spark post a title so you can find it easily in the future, and then download that image to your device. Finally, click Share to generate a URL link which you can share with your teacher or fellow students for some all-important peer feedback.